SUV manufacturer Mahindra and Mahindra Scorpio-N became the first body-on-frame SUV to secure a 5-star rating in the Global New Car Assessment Program's GNCAP new crash test protocols, which came into effect from July 1, 2022. As per the crash test report released on December 12, 2022, the Mahindra Scorpio-N scored 5 stars for adult occupant protection and 3 stars for child occupant protection. The Mahindra Scorpio-N was tested in its basic safety specification, fitted with 2 frontal airbags and ABS. Electronic stability control (ESC) and side curtain airbags are not standard. However, curtain airbags are standard in the majority of units produced. The lack of 3-point seatbelts affected the child occupant protection result, limiting it to only 3 stars, the report highlighted. Moreover, in a press release, Mahindra added that Scorpio-N also complied with additional tests including pole side impact, pedestrian protection UN 127, electronic stability control (ESC), according to GTR 8 and its fitment, and side head protection airbag fitment. Launched in June 2022, the Scorpio-N becomes Mahindra's third SUV, after the XUV 700 and XUV 300 to secure a 5-star rating. The Mahindra XUV 300 became Mahindra's first SUV to earn a 5-star adult safety rating along with India's first Safer Choice Award by GNCAP in 2020, followed by XUV 700 in 2021.